Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're using carrots to make orange maple carrots that's full of sweet, tang, and savory flavors in less than 30 minutes. Let's get started. Turn the stove on medium heat. 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick frying pan. 1 pound of rainbow carrots cut in halves. A little tip, cooking the carrots in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes makes them easier to cut. You can also use only orange carrots and cut them into strips if you prefer. The different colors of carrots represent different antioxidants, so all colors are healthy and nutritious to eat. Zest 1 large orange and squeeze the juice out. Add the orange juice with some maple syrup after sauteing the carrots for 2 to 3 minutes. See how the juice and maple syrup started to coat the carrots with a beautiful shine like a very thin glaze? If the juice starts to dry out, just add a few tablespoons of water. Add some pistachio nuts to give different texture to the dish. Almonds, cashews, or walnuts will work too. Now add the orange zest that you made earlier. Salt and pepper to taste. You can really smell that orange flavor coming through. These carrots are beautifully coated with a thin layer of orange maple glaze, and the pistachio nuts have a hint of sweetness as well. Saute the carrots to the tenderness of your liking. Here is your quick, easy, and delicious side dish that you can make every day or serve during special occasions. Come back soon and see my other carrot recipes. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.